So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin breaking news kabola when this is being recorded, which is yun nga pong pagkapili kay Aris Dionisio bilang kapalit po nitong si Scottie Thompson kabola. Deserving ba si Aris? So hindi pa subscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po by giving our praises po sa Rookie of the Week na si Nocum kabola. Nocum is really playing very well kabola in this Philippine Cup. This week, 15.5 points, 4.5 rebounds, 5 assists kabola. So, pinapakita ni Nocum kabola na muli po nakahanap si Coach Yeng Guiao kabola ng isa na namang quality player out of the second draft kabola, diba? Yan naman parang hobby na yan Coach Yeng Guiao, diba? Makahanap po naman ang steal of the draft, and it's pretty obvious with the way Nocum is playing that he is a steal of the draft. Very obvious kasi iba yung confidence level niya, and he is really making shots kabola. He's really making shots kabola. Tingnan natin, di ba? Higpit yung depensa sa kanya. Tingnan natin kung paano po siya mag-a-adjust. Then, doon natin na actually ma-assess kung pwede ba siya maging next superstar kabola na nahanap po nitong si Coach Yeng Guiao kabola. And then, comment muna. Mahaba ito from Bugslay. Dati bilib ako kay Ayo pero parang masyado naman naging madalas yung hindi fit sa system na rason. Kung may fit sa 5 key players lang hindi sa fit sa system mo, baka hindi na yung system mo ang importante. Di ba, sana kung yun nakukuha ang kapalit, automatic fit sa system mo Kaso puro role players kinukuha ko. Kapalit na starters ng team, pinakamasaklap. Pinik yung injured na Andrade over Kate Flores or Kenmar Carino. Let me just comment about the Andrade thing. I do not think really na decision yan primarily ni Coach Ayo, di ba? We all know Andrade is connected to the another assistant coach kabola na si Sir Danny kabola, di ba? And he could be the one that made this decision kabola. Now, yes, yung pong pag-let go sa mga star players nila, Jeron Teng, Maverick and Missy, those hurt, pero I also do not think po kabola na si Ayo po ang primary na rason nun, di ba? It's the management who decided, di ba, na it's not worth it for them to give the price that those players are asking, di ba? So, and because of that, di ba, hindi na nila pinapirma. So, hindi yun talaga decision. It's not really about the system thing, if you remember kabola. Hindi talaga yun regarding po sa system. Now, ito na ito pong si Aris Dionisio ang napili pong ipalit kabola dito po sa injured na si Scottie Thompson, which really shocks a lot of people kabola. Now, I'm reading some articles kabola hoping to find an explanation kung bakit po si Aris yung napili, pero we can find a credible reason, di ba kabola? Baka ang assumption ko na lang siguro, which is actually the safest sana po na maging rason nito, is that siya yung next in line in terms of fan vote kabola. Yun yung currently po na ina-assume ko, pero sa palagay ko din naman hindi naman na necessary, wala naman na sa rules kabola ng pipili no papalit po kabola is sa fan vote, di ba? So for them to choose Aris Dionisio kabola, if you look po at the numbers, I'm sorry, I am easily one of the biggest fan of Aris po kabola as a role player. He's very important. He is big for a forward kabola. He defends a lot of positions. Kaya naman tingnan natin kanya is a very crucial piece to a championship. Pero yung number niya po na 4.4 points, 37% po from the field, 2.7 rebounds, 0.7 steal, 0.5 blocks, 0.5 assists kabola. Those are not the numbers of all-star kabola. And then, remember kabola that there are other players who was not of course chosen because they chose him. Like Javi Gomez-Diliano kabola, who was next in line in terms of points per game na hindi napila. Nasa 15.8 points currently. Yung average niya with a very credible 49% kabola from the field. Andre Karakot is easily the most consistent player ng Rain o Shine kabola, di ba? He's at 13.5 points, 41% in the field. Diba kabola? And then 37% from behind the arc. And of course, Justin Aranya. He is basically embraced na po by the fan base. That's the face of the franchise. Yes, Converge is struggling. Pero maganda rin naman kung may representation ng Converge, diba? In this season, 15.8 points. 61% from the field, diba? 6.4 rebounds per game. So, I'm just dumbfounded with this decision kabola. And then some will defend it na si John Pinto na sali sa All-Star ganun sila. There's a big difference here. John Pinto is part of the All-Star because he was chosen by the fans and that is the rule. So walang issue in a way technically doon. Etong kay Junicio, hindi mo ma-explain na maayos kung anong rason. May rules ba sila sunod? Na si Junicio po yung napipinpoint ng role na yun. Kasi kung wala, then it should be based on the numbers and the production kabola, and the production and the numbers telling us that unfortunately, Junicio is not deserving. So kababa sa palagay mo, deserving ba si Junicio? Comment na po sa baba.